Hey there, little friends. I'm Olivia.
And I'm CJ. Nice to meet you. 50 plus fun quiz questions for kids.
Are you ready to test your luck?
Alright, let's get started.
Today, we will play a fun game about the highest, fastest, biggest, and smallest things in the world. Let's go. First, we will begin with animals and nature. Which animal is the fastest on land? Lion, cheetah, or horse? It's the cheetah. A cheetah can reach incredible speeds of up to 110 kilometers per hour. Which animal is the largest on land? Elephant, rhinoceros, or giraffe? That would be the African elephant. It is the biggest land animal. Which animal is the tallest? Camel, ostrich, or giraffe? It's the giraffe. Giraffes can grow up to 6 meters tall. Which bird is the fastest? Eagle, peregrine falcon, or hawk? It's the peregrine falcon. It can fly faster than 300 kilometers per hour. Which animal is the largest ever to live? Dinosaur, shark, or blue whale? It's the blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known. Which mammal is the smallest? Mouse, shrew, or bumblebee bat? The answer is the bumblebee bat. It weighs about 2 grams. Which snake is the longest? Python, anaconda, or cobra? It's the reticulated python. Some can grow longer than 6 meters. Which sea animal is the fastest? Dolphin, sailfish, or shark? That's the sailfish. Sailfish can swim very fast. Which bird is the largest? Eagle, ostrich, or emu? It's the ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird. Which bird is the smallest? Hummingbird, sparrow, or finch? The right one is the bee hummingbird. It is only about 5 centimeters long. Which animal causes the most human deaths each year? Lion, snake, or mosquito? It's the mosquito. Mosquitoes spread deadly diseases. Which animal lives the longest? Greenland shark, tortoise, or whale? It's the Greenland shark. Some live more than 250 years. Which animal is the loudest? Lion, monkey, or blue whale? It's the blue whale. Its sound is louder than a jet engine. Which reptile is the largest? Lizard, crocodile, or snake? The answer is the saltwater crocodile. It is the largest living reptile. Which animal is strongest for its size? Gorilla, elephant, or ant? It's the ant. An ant can lift many times its body weight. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Leopard, tiger, or lion? It's the lion. Lions are known for their strength and roar. Which fish is the largest? Whale shark, tuna, or salmon? It's the whale shark. Whale sharks are gentle giants. Which insect is the fastest? B. Dragonfly or mosquito? The answer is the dragonfly. Dragonflies are very fast flyers. Which animal has the best eyesight? Owl, eagle, or dog? It's the eagle. Eagles can see very far. Which animal sleeps the most? Koala, sloth, or cat? It's the koala. Koalas sleep up to 22 hours a day. Now it's time for geography and Earth. What is the highest mountain in the world? K2, Mount Everest or Denali? It's Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level at 8,848 meters. Which river is the longest in the world? Nile, Amazon, or Yangtze? It's the Nile River. The Nile River is about 6,650 kilometers long. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Gobi, or Antarctica? It's Antarctica. Antarctica is the largest desert and it is very cold. What is the smallest country in the world? Monaco, Vatican City, or Nauru? It's Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country by area. Which country is the largest by area? United States, China, or Russia? That would be Russia. Russia is the largest country on Earth. Which ocean is the deepest in the world? Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, or Pacific Ocean? It's the Pacific Ocean. The deepest point on Earth is in the Pacific Ocean. What is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls, Niagara Falls, or Victoria Falls? It's Angel Falls. Angel Falls is nearly 1,000 meters tall. Which is the largest island in the world? Australia, Greenland, or Borneo? It's Greenland. Greenland is the largest island on Earth. Which mountain range is the longest? Himalayas, Andes, or Rockies? The answer is the Andes Mountains. The Andes stretch over 7,000 kilometers. Which continent is the hottest? Africa, Asia, or Australia? It's Africa. Africa receives the most sunlight. What is the coldest place on Earth? Siberia, Antarctica, or Greenland? That's Antarctica. Temperatures there can drop below -89 degrees Celsius. Which lake is the largest by area? Caspian Sea, Lake Superior, or Lake Victoria? It's the Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the largest enclosed lake. Which lake is the deepest? Lake Tanganyika, Dead Sea, or Lake Baikal? The correct choice is Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal is over 1,600 meters deep. Which country has the most volcanoes? Japan, Indonesia, or Iceland? It's Indonesia. Indonesia has more active volcanoes than any other country. Which continent has the most countries? Asia, Europe, or Africa? That would be Africa. Africa has 54 countries. Which sea is the saltiest? Red Sea, Caspian Sea, or Dead Sea? It's the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea has extremely high salt levels. Which country has the longest coastline? Canada, Australia, or Russia? It's Canada. Canada has the longest coastline in the world. Which river carries the most water? Nile, Amazon, or Congo? It's the Amazon River. The Amazon carries more water than any other river. Now, let's finish the game with human-made and science. What is the tallest building in the world? Shanghai Tower, Burj Khalifa, or Petronas Towers? It's Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is 828 meters tall. Which wall is the longest ever built? Great Wall of China, Berlin Wall, or Hadrian's Wall? That would be the Great Wall of China. It stretches over 21,000 kilometers. Which statue is the tallest? Christ the Redeemer, Buddha statue, or Statue of Unity? It's the Statue of Unity. It stands 182 meters tall. Which planet is the largest? Saturn, Jupiter, or Neptune? It's Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Which planet is the smallest? Mars, Mercury, or Pluto? The correct choice is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Which planet is the hottest? Mercury, Mars, or Venus? It's Venus. Venus is extremely hot. Which planet shines brightest at night? Venus, Mars, or Jupiter? It's Venus. Venus is very bright in the sky. Which planet is the coldest? Neptune, Uranus, or Saturn? That would be Uranus. Uranus has extremely low temperatures. Which planet has the longest day? Mercury, Venus, or Mars? It's Venus. One day on Venus is longer than a year. Which country has the largest population? India, China, or United States? It's India. India has the most people. Which country is visited the most? United States, France, or Spain? It's France. France is the top tourist country. Which natural material is the hardest? Diamond, gold, or iron? It's diamond. Diamond is extremely hard. Which sense is strongest in humans? Sight, hearing, or smell? It's smell. Smell is closely linked to memory.